Gerald Wiegert launched the Vector W2 in the 1970s with an audacious goal to prove that America could produce supercars rivaling Italian exotics. The project first appeared as a non-running mock-up on Motor Trend's April 1972 cover. The W2 debuted at the 1972 Los Angeles Auto Expo. Wiegert initially partnered with Lee Brown of Precision Auto Body, but the collaboration collapsed before completion. This experience convinced Wiegert to maintain complete independence, a philosophy he maintained throughout his career, despite the difficulties it created in securing funding. By 1979, the W2 evolved into a fully functional prototype. The name referenced Wiegert himself, and the twin turbochargers bolted to its 5.7-liter Chevrolet V8. This Bosch-injected, twin-turbocharged engine produced over 600 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque, enough for a claimed top speed of 242 miles per hour when no production car could reach 200 miles per hour. The construction reflected Wiegert's background in aeronautical engineering. The semi-monocoque chassis used pop-riveted and epoxied aluminum composite honeycomb with aircraft-quality sheet aluminum and steel tubing. Only the roof and roll bar towers were steel. Everything else was aluminum. The bodywork consisted of FRP composite foam sandwich urethane with foam-filled box sections for impact protection, revolutionary compared to the welded steel structures dominating supercar construction. The W2 featured double wishbone front suspension with adjustable Coney shocks and a D-Dion rear suspension. Custom 15-inch cast magnesium wheels wore Pirelli P7 tires, 225-section fronts, 285-section rears. Power reached the rear wheels through a 3-speed automatic transmission with manual control. The prototype accumulated over 100,000 miles in testing, more than any concept car. It appeared at international auto shows and in numerous publications, even featuring in the Nintendo game Formula One, Built to Win, and a 1980s Chevron commercial. In 1990, the concept finally entered limited production as the Vector W8. Only approximately 17 W8s were built before bankruptcy struck in the early 1990s. Reports suggest only 4 W2 prototypes were constructed. The original W2 prototype remains inoperable, but is scheduled for restoration. Wiegert retained rights to the cars and formed Vector Motors, though no new vehicles have been produced since.